Today I'm at a job site and we're gonna watch an entire air conditioner installation. So I see our crew getting set up right now, so let's go see how they do it. Are you guys just doing an air conditioner install today, or is it a full system?
Full system.
Okay. What are you doing now?
I'm just gonna get the leftover air out of the line set here. Sometimes our recovery machine doesn't quite get it all, but it shuts off because it thinks it has it all because there's no usually refrigerant left in there.
Okay.
Gravel too? Yeah. Couple buckets. Yeah, that was a man, but it's good that it's not. Where did you get good then? Did you get a good one? Yeah. There's 16. Okay. Good. Going beyond, I'll switch the sides.
What's that thing, Xavier?
This is an acetylene torch for brazing the copper. This is nitrogen. It just keeps all of the soot and the silver solder that we heat up kind of like falling in there.
Getting into the line?
Yeah, as clean inside the line set. Yeah, make a bend here. Alright. And then put this down. Forward. Oh, didn't tell me that, so make another bend. I'll just be getting this sanded off next, and these, just so all that dirt and grime from years don't get inside the new line set. Like, this is gonna fit over that one because this is a smaller, this is 3/4, this is 7/8, so it'll fit right over perfectly without having to bend or expand it. I just use a little bit of excess and then I'll cut that. Alright. Cool.
What are the two different ones?
The thinner one is the liquid line, and it's running at a higher pressure, and it is the product of the compressor. The compressor is heating it up and pushing it back in toward the coil, and the coil inside is in turn, well, the compressor is sucking it from the coil in there, and this is the suction line with condensed refrigerant.
Okay.
So
it's the refrigerant loop, just going different directions, kind of.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
Yep. So this is a lot hotter, and it doesn't need insulation. But since this is cold and it's the refrigerant, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
It's gonna need insulation, so it doesn't sweat out here and everything. You love about. Alright. Put insulation on it. You just always got to make sure you're pointing away from the house with that, and of course these wires were here too, but they're not hot at all because I was aiming this way. So better to burn myself than expensive wires.
This is just all the power to the system?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is all of the high voltage. I'm pretty much all done here.
Yeah?
I'm just gonna get a few things ready for when we turn the system on. Okay, I am ready. I'm gonna hook up to suction first.
Yeah.
Okay, got anything yet?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Sending it. Okay. Okay, switching to liquid. On its way down.
That's good right there, actually.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, here it comes.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, I'll head back down. It's continuing to hold too, so we'll release all the nitrogen. That's pulling all of the air out of our line set, so there's nothing but refrigerant in there.
Okay.
Since the refrigerant's released, This disconnect was out pretty much just to protect it in case we accidentally flipped it on inside or something.
Okay.
But now it can come on since refrigerant's released. And it won't hurt anything, but power's still off, so. And that's that.
So then you just check the charge?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll check charge after we wrap up the furnace.
Looks nice.
Well, that looks like butterflies. I'm checking the levels of the...
Yeah, we're looking for 12 superheat on here. It's 12. It's been riding at it this whole time, so.
Is it quieter than my other one?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we need to change a thing.